Hello, Internet people. I see you. You look hungry. No worry, I cook for you. Green curry fried rice for you. I'm back. Marion led me back to the kitchen. She's a good girl. My name is not Marion's mom. It's Noi. N-O-I. Like this. Now let's cooking. Today we're using Marion Thai green curry. Curry paste, coconut milk, and the dry herb, and the bamboo. Now we turn off the wok, add the oil. First we'll fry the onion. Oh, Caesar! Sounds good. Cut out curry paste. Must use best curry paste, you know. Marion is the best. Now the coconut milk. Let's simmer. And dry herb with chili. Now arrange the bamboo juice. Add the bamboo juice. Now we cook the vegetable. Today I'm using Thai original eggplant. Look like this, like a little pea. If you can't get this one, you can use normal eggplant. Now also using Thai snake bean. We just use green bean. Now we want this vegetable to cook first. I used to make this for Marion when Marion little, you know. I want her to marry a doctor, you know. Or dentist. I don't know what happened. No doctor, no dentist. Oh well. Simmer to a little bit thick. Maybe 3 or 4 minutes. Now with the prawn. Look at the beautiful prawn. Oh, that smells good. The prawn starts to turn pink. Wait for the prawn is cooked. Now we add the rice. This is the rice I cooked yesterday. Make for good fried rice. Oh, look beautiful. Now the rice mixed through, it looks very good. Add in some Thai basil. If you don't find Thai basil, you can do regular basil. Oh, it smells good. Now you can see the rice not too sticky, just perfect. Now to serve, I like to put in a bowl first. Put the prawn and nice in the bottom. Look at that rice. Now we tip on the plate. Oh, magic. Now the Thai way, we put in the spring onion, slice of cucumber, and the lime. Look at that, beautiful. Enjoy!